Hi, I'm Brian Etkin. I'm the inventor of the microgreen machine. I'd like to show you today how simple it is to grow the daikon microgreens, which are used in sushi rolls. You simply add some of the radish or daikon seeds, let them sit in water for approximately 2 hours, then drain them. And then all we're going to do is put some of the seeds onto the screen here. We filled our special tray with water, so it's just touching the bottom of the screen. Then all we're going to do now, if you just tap it, you can just see the water touching the bottom. And all we're going to do now is spread out some of the seeds so that they're on the screen. And that's it. Simply tap water, added, nothing else. And we're just going to put a lid on it so they could germinate in darkness. We'll be removing this in 3 days and showing it to you. And in 7 days, we'll have daikon exactly like this. Thank you. Here's a great little tip to keep your water clean and odorless. We just add a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to the water. And this is a 3% hydrogen peroxide that you could get at any dollar store, and it's just for first aid, and it keeps the water clean. After 72 hours of germination, the daikon are then introduced to light. In about 4 days, you get this type of growth, and they could be harvested. Notice the clean white roots. Harvesting is simply pulling the microgreens from the perforated tray or slicing them off with a knife. Cleanup, as you can see, just takes seconds. Then it all goes into your compost, the sustainable kitchen. This is how much water is left from what we originally had filled in the tray. We put some red dye so you could see how little water is actually left over. And any excess water could just be given to a plant, so there's no waste whatsoever. Enjoy, experiment, and have fun growing your microgreens.